Putting in the paint matched IND reflectors. I just did the passenger side and about to do the driver's side. I was really against these because of the price in the beginning, and it's also going to save me $120 because who the heck wants to spend that much money on just reflectors from IND? Not me. But I caved in and got them, and man, they look so good. It's worth it. This is a super easy DIY. You basically just take out 3 8mm screws that hold this cover in, and then you pull it back, and you can use a heat gun. In this case, I'm using a blow dryer because I don't have my heat gun right now. And you heat up the outside enough to where you can push it in. And once you do that, you can clean the inside of it and get all the 3M glue off. And that's what I did here with some alcohol, some microfibers, and my fingers. Here's a better look at the reflector from IND. These ran me like $120, but I think they're worth it. It's gonna get rid of this ugly orange reflector, and it's perfectly paint matched.
20 minutes later.
Just finished the other side. Looks sweet.